Hi, it's Miss Rebecca with the Culpeper County Library Youth Services Department, and I'm here today to help you guide you through making a catnip toy. So I'm going to demonstrate what you need to do that. What you will have in your kit is 2 pieces of matching heart fabric. You will have a needle, and you will have a long piece of thread, 3 cotton balls, and about a tablespoon of catnip. That will be in your bag that you're going to be working with today. Now what we're going to do is we're going to basically start with the 2 pieces of heart fabric, and you're going to make sure that your thread has a knot in the bottom of it. This is what it should look like, and it has a knot where you start. I always start at the bottom corner there and go around, and you're just doing a loop stitch like this. Very simple. It doesn't have to look uniform. It's just going to make sure that we have no big gaps that are going to cause the catnip to come out. So when you get all the way around to about this part, this is where you have to stuff it. You use your cotton balls. So I take 1 cotton ball and I go into that top corner up there. Then I take my 2nd cotton ball and I go in to the corner here. Now comes the fun part where you take your little baggie. Everybody will have a baggie of about a tablespoon, and you are going to take a tablespoon of catnip, and this is going to be messy, so there's really no easy way to do it unless we do it with a funnel. I didn't think to use a funnel. Shake off the excess, brush it off. There we go. Then you're going to stuff it all in by using your last cotton ball. Push it in. There we go. And then you're going to continue sewing around the edges until you get that closed up all the way to the end. And make sure you take a couple of knots, put a couple of knots in the bottom, and this is what your finished product is going to look like, and these will be donated to the local animal shelter that you create. So thank you so much for doing this project with me, and I can't wait to see your finished project.